Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Steamin Demon today. I'm going to pre-spray. I put the green gel in here, squirt of that, and the rest water. So I'm going to pre-spray first. This is how you connect it. This is your fresh water, this is your power, this is your wastewater. So just for this demonstration purpose, I just put it in a bucket, but you can put it wherever you like in a drain. All right, so let's check this out so I can show you what the different functions are. Basically, this is the power button. That turns the vacuum on. Now when the vacuum is on, just so you know, it's a little different from other vacuums. The vacuum is only 8 inches away from the ground. So it gives you insane vacuum because you're not going through hoses. Once you turn the vacuum on, this is valve handle. So you press this and you pull it back, and that's gonna spray the water. And then the defoamer is right here. You turn the defoamer on anytime it foams up in there, and it will inject that into it. Turn the vacuum on, and then this right here is the spray. So I'm gonna spray it and pull it towards me, to the back. Okay, in order to agitate, what you could do is you could turn the vacuum on, and then with the water on as well, go back and forth. So here we go. The fresh water comes in and the dirty water gets pumped out. And what's happening is it collects in here, it's got a filter and it's got a waste pump. And that's what's pumping it out. So the whole time you're cleaning, you don't stop.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.